Hi folks, in today's video we're going to be checking out the newest recycled parts tube amp from SoaringTortoise. This is the 14 watt TV 2-channel tube amp. It uses two EL84s, some very nice Mullard EL84s, which were original to the Hi-Fi, which this amp has been converted from. This used to be a Heath kit EA3, I believe, and I've rearranged it so that it is now a 2-channel guitar amplifier. We have a lot of jacks on front here, but not very many knobs. So what it is 2 channels. This is one channel with a tone and a volume, and another channel with a tone and a volume. Here we have an input for channel 1 and an input for channel 2. The center input is for both channels. You can access both channels with your guitar. The 2 outside jacks are send jacks for each channel, so you could put an effect in each channel. Now in this demonstration we're going to be just listening to the tones the amp can provide with no effects. In a later video we'll be putting some effects into the loops and showing how that works. So if we look around back here, we have the power cord and jacks for 4, 8, and 16 ohms. We have a wonderful carrying handle which requires the use of this custom-made handle mute when we put the unit on a guitar cab. That just keeps the handle from rattling on the metal enclosure. So let's give it a try. I'm going to plug into the first channel here, or the A channel. This volume control on the B channel also functions as the power switch. So we turn it on, and in about 11 seconds or so this light here will come on, and that will tell us that the power tubes are fully warmed up and ready to go. And then we can start demonstrating. So in the video today we will be using this beautiful old Gibson ES330, great for clean tones. We've got the amp running through a 2x10 cab with some vintage Jensen P10R speakers and a cheap Lollipop ribbon mic to bring it all in with, and a bug flying by our microphone. Okay, so here's our amp. Now we'll be playing through the A channel, which is based on a Fender G series amplifier preamp. So it is a 12AX7 style preamp. Got to move the camera there, sorry, to get my guitar cord. And we've got the tone set right about in the middle now, and we're going to turn up the volume just a little bit here. So we have volume here and then a tone. About right here is pretty tone control sounds. channel A, a very Fender-ish sounding channel. Now I'm going to plug into channel B, which it has a pentode based preamp in the style of, say, a Gibson GA40 or an old K720 bass amp. It doesn't have a tone pot, it has a tone switch, 3 positions, and it's basically a roll-off switch. In this position it's hardly any treble roll-off, so let's give this one a try with the roll-off switch is pretty much off. Give it a little more volume so it matches what we had before, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to roll off, show you the roll-off switch. Here's the middle position. Here is the most treble roll-off. And back to the first position. Alright, now I'm going to plug in where I can access both channels at once in this center input. And we can still listen to the individual channels this way. So here is the A channel again. Turn up the tone on it. So that's the A channel. Now we're going to do the B channel. The volume's right. Alright, now we'll roll the A channel back up here. Now when we roll in the B channel, bass will take over and tell us it's working. Then we've got a good mix here, so roll this off. Roll this up a little more. It's going to get louder. So that little bit of feedback there tells me I got to turn on my attenuator. Over here, you can hear me clicking it down. That's about 15 decibels of attenuation. Now I'm going to crank it a little, get some dirt out of this thing. This is both channels. I'm going to roll off the B channel. The A channel and turn the B channel back up. Now remember, we got the attenuator on. And my volume rolled down, so that doesn't help. So that's just the B channel. Now I'm going to mix in the A channel. have another video with effects. Thanks for listening. Bye.